Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the interface of LeetCode, and it is mainly for the beginner, and I will also share my experience, and this video is going quite long, so you can speed up to 1.5x and let's go. So first of all we will see the profile page over here. So in this page we have so many things. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, here we can see the number of questions we have solved from each section, like from easy level, from medium level, from hard level, and here we see the number of submission we did in each day, and also we can see the maximum streak, means how many days we are continuously solving. I did for 2 days, and here the max streak is 2. Over here we can see the latest submission made by us, and over here we can see the number of questions we have solved from the different topics. Suppose if we solve from backtracking or union find, then there is showing how many questions we have solved. So this is all about the profile page. Now let's go to the problem page. So this page is the most important page because here we have all the questions which we are going to solve. So in this page we have so many questions, like more than 3000 questions. As a beginner it is quite difficult to solve a random question or any question because we do not learn all the topics. In DSA we have so many topics like array, DP, backtracking, graph, trees. So the question is how we are going to solve the question. To do so, here we have an option of filter. In this, first of all we choose the topic. Like if you want to solve from the string, then here is the string, then choose the string topic, and here we get all the question from the string topic only, but it has all the level like medium level, easy level, hard level. So if you are a beginner, I will suggest you to start from the easy level. So to do so, we have also difficulty level filter. So we filter out the easy level question only. Here we select the easy level. Now here all the questions are from easy level and from string. So it is quite easy to solve a question which we have already learned. So now again we have to do one more things, like here we have a tag. Enable this tag option. Now we can see the topics, like this question is belongs to these topics only. So if we are going to solve, first of all we see am I know the topic hash table or math or string, then only we go to solve this question. It is a best method for the beginner. If you are trying to solve a random question, suppose like this question, it is also from string, but here we have to perform backtracking, tree, DFS. So it is quite difficult if you don't know these topics. So always when you solve the question, try to filter out and also enable the tag option. In this way we are going to solve question. So that is all from the problems page. Now we will move towards the contest page. So LeetCode provides a weekly contest in which you can participate over here and challenge yourself by solving problem, where we have more than 20,000 participants who participate in the contest. Here we have 2 days contest, Sunday and the Saturday, but the Saturday contest is only twice in a month, and we have the Sunday contest which is in the morning. You can also participate over here to challenge yourself and also improve your skills. Now come again to the problem page. I will also explain you how to solve the question. So this is the interface of question. Here we have question on the left side and the editor on the right side. We can select any languages from here. So let's select C++. Here we have a function. Set this function, we have to apply only the logical part and write over here in this function. Here we have test cases and results. Test case 1, test case 2, test case 3. Here is your test results. Now let's discuss about the question. So here you have the question. Here we have also the level of question. It is easy level. The topics, hints, the company name. Suppose we want to know the topics from which this question is. Click on this topic button. Here array and hash table. This question is from hash table and array. Here we can also see the hint number 1, hint number 2, hint number 3. But I will not suggest you to see the hint. First of all, apply your own logic. Then after only you can use the hint option. And the most important thing you have to keep in mind when you are solving the constraint. This is most important thing before you are solving the question. First of all, read out the question, the inputs, then see the constraint. Why I am saying this? Because this constraint is a way in which you can think that in which time complexity we have to solve this question. Like here we have the array length is 10 to the power 4. The maximum length of this nums array can be of length 10 to the power 4. It means we can solve this question up to the time complexity of n log n. I don't remember the exact chat. If I will find, I will share over here in the video. So this shows in what complexity we should solve this question. So this is the main thing you should keep remember And another thing is, if you're not able to find the solution or find the logics, you can also prefer the solutions over here. In this section, many of the coders submit their solutions with explanation. Suppose if you want to see the submission or the solutions in C++, you have to select C++. Over here, open any from the top. So let's see this solution. Over here, he also shared the solution video and also the approach. See over here, he explained all the things of this question. And also he share the solution code, but I will suggest, if you are not able to solve the question, then go to the solution, then read the approach, what are the approach he applied. Okay, so this is all about the problem or the question sections, and remember the constraint part. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand the interface of LeetCode and keep solving, and thank you for watching this video. Till then, bye bye.